Your body is your temple. You spend your entire life in this body. Notice how much you've experienced in this body, how much it has changed. Sometimes we don't register the change, like when we were an infant. Maybe you know from photographs, but you were once so small, your hands and feet tiny enough to fit into the arms of your caregivers. Time passes and your body grows, eventually reaching puberty. You may have coped with what felt like strange changes in your body in your adolescence, but your body continued to change and continues to change as you reach adulthood. You may have gotten taller, gained weight, or grown stronger. Think of all the years you've spent in your body. You've achieved so much. Feel that. You are constantly experiencing the transformation of your body, whether you notice it or not. Your heart is beating. Your cells are being renewed. You are alive in these routines your body continually performs in order to be you. Make space for noticing all that your body is actually undertaking. How much room do you make for your body to rest? You may forget to show the same attention to your body while also expecting it to continuously perform. Your connection to your body may be disrupted by the hustle and bustle of your day-to-day. Maybe you're going through your daily routine all without thinking about your own body as you, say, turn on a light, put food in your mouth, blink your eyes, etc. Sometimes we may feel pushed to reconnect to our bodies because of obstacles or setbacks that necessitate focusing on taking care of it. Consider this question. Do you spend any time resting your body when there isn't a problem? How does it feel to rest your whole body, even for a brief moment, without needing to feel tired in order to do so? Maybe you're already taking time for this. Maybe it feels like a waste of time. Or maybe you're unsure of exactly what you feel in your body. The most important thing here is to realize that body and mind do not exist separate from one another. In fact, bodily sensations are very much connected to the mind. Resting your body can also mean giving yourself some space to open up your mind. Strengthening your relationship to your body and understanding its needs will help you both understand and attend to your needs overall. Remember, the mind and body are one whole, and resting your body means resting your mind as well. So, how can we rest our bodies? There are many ways to let the body rest, and everybody's needs are different. Sometimes rest means lying down on the couch or standing still, yes, but rest can also mean moving your body in ways that feel good to you. Resting your body starts with being aware of your own limits and boundaries. Take a second to feel the sensations in your body first. Sometimes you may exercise one day, and the next day you're experiencing back pain. One option is to keep pushing and potentially strain yourself further, or you can respect your body's limits and take a rest day to allow your body to try and recover. What is your body telling you? Remember, the respect and compassion you show for your body actually determines the respect and compassion you show for yourself. Apart from that, nourishing your body in ways that feel good to you, moving your body regularly, and getting enough sleep are some of the strategies you can try to better know yourself and identify your own needs.